My name is David Headley and I am the Infrastructure and Commercial Lead at Mainmark Ground Engineering. The former Halifax Bank in Chester was a Grade 2 listed building that was suffering from subsidence. There was an old infilled sand quarry present beneath the building, but effectively there was 9 metres of fill material. Over the years this material had consolidated and that resulted in subsidence of the entire structure. Mainmark Ground Engineering, we were contracted to come in and undertake ground improvement to the underlying soils. This involved the injection of our Teretek resin material. We injected this to depths of 9 metres below ground level to improve, strengthen and stabilise the underlying soils, to effectively stabilise the building, to safeguard its future use and occupation. The main benefit of the Mainmark solution on this particular project was there were access issues. The works were undertaken in basement level with limited headroom, but we were able to overcome those challenges with the plant, material and equipment that we use. The solution that Mainmark delivered here stabilised the building and enabled the client to then carry on with the refurbishment works.